Hello, CIS 137. This is Mr. Martinez, and this is just a quick update. As I noticed, there have been some interface changes. So if you're looking at some of the videos that I posted in Canvas and you go to WordPress, you're like, this looks nothing like what we're using in the video. So I will say some of it has changed. A lot of it is the same. They just kind of like put a new spin on stuff. So let me just show you how to get started with this new interface. So once you're logged in, and I'm logged here into WordPress here, we're going to go ahead and add a new site. And I'm just going to go, let's see, I just use this one for testing purposes. So we'll go on Andres Martinez 23. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to use this free version. We don't want to pay any money for using this. So we're going to hit select. And again, we're going to go with free on the far left. Okay, then there's like different categories here for what kind of website you want to produce. We're going to go ahead and hit other and hit continue so that we can see all of the different categories up here on the top. So do take some time and take a look at all these themes. There's some really nice ones. Um, Anyways, I'm going to go with the theme that I chose just before I started recording, which is this one here. It's nice and simple, and the reason I like this one is just because it has a easy to find navigation bar. Okay, so we're going to go with this theme here. We're going to hit continue. All right, then we're going to go ahead and hit launch site. This will publish the site out to the internet. All right, so if I open this view site in a new tab, this is the actual site that's published on the internet, and you can see your URL right here. So this is like the live version. Okay, I'm going to go back to the edit tab. We're going to hit the X here. So a couple new things. A lot of the newer stuff is over here on the left-hand side when before you had to like log into some back-end edit mode. So this is kind of like the back-end settings of the website. And then over here we have the front-end settings of the website. So first thing we want to do is give the website a name. So we'll come over here and we're just going to put our name here. Okay, and we'll hit save settings. Okay, now when we go to the live website and we hit refresh, we see our name has been updated. So this is going to be the name of the website. All right, so we'll go back to my home. Okay, now from here, the goal is to have 4 to 5 different pages. So we want to start adding those new pages that we want. And what I mean by that is we're supposed to have a home, an about, a gallery, a library, and a contact. So to set up these newer pages, we're going to go to pages, and we're going to go add new home page. Okay, and to just keep this simple, I'm going to go ahead and just choose a blank page for now. So this would be like our gallery. So we can do gallery page here, and we'll go ahead and hit publish, and then hit publish once more. Okay, then we'll go over to the live website, hit refresh, and we'll see that we have a new gallery page here. If we click on it, we can see the page is set up and working. All right, so we're going to repeat this process. On the top left, we're going to hit the W, and we're going to go back to next steps, which will take us back to like this home page area. We're going to go back to pages, and then we're going to go ahead and add another page. So we'll do library. Again, we're just going to go with a blank page for now. And we'll hit publish, and we'll hit publish again. All right, and then we'll click on the W, and we'll go back to next steps. Okay, then we'll go pages, and then we'll do the last one, which is add new page, and we will make a new contact page. So for contact, we can go ahead and just choose a contact, a pre-built page for us. So let's go with like this one here. All right, so get in touch. So we can like put our name here, and we can put our address if we want. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it. That's enough for now. I'm just trying to get this thing going. All right, then we'll head back to view pages. So we have about, contact, library, and gallery. If I go to the live website, we'll hit refresh, and we'll see we have the different pages now set up. So this is good for phase one. We just like want to get in there, and you can start like looking around through the different categories. The other videos that I have posted in Canvas are still good, as the system itself is kind of is still using the same kind of tools, except they just move the tools around a little bit. Okay, so then like the next thing you want to do is, let's say we wanted to move contact from the second link to the end over here. So I wanted it all the way on the right. To do that, we're going to go to My Home. Then we're going to choose Edit Site. And then here we can get to our navigation system. So we'll click on Navigation. Okay, and what I want to do is just reorder these. So I want to click and hold and drag contact downwards. As soon as I try to make this change, it's going to ask me if I want to edit the page list. We're going to go ahead and detach the navigation so that we can move the items around. Okay, so now I can click and hold contact, and we'll drag it underneath library. And on the bottom left, we'll find our save button, and then we'll hit save that change. All right, so now if we go back to our live website and hit refresh, you can see the contact is now towards the end. So this is how you reorder your navigation bar. Okay, I think that was a quick little update on the different interface. Like I said, you can look at the other Canvas videos, and especially like where we're going to start bringing over content and producing content inside of these pages. A lot of that is exactly the same. So I just wanted to give this quick little update. Thanks, everybody.